Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Fewer cameras, bigger battery, smarter design. Samsung is gearing up for a bold redesign with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, shifting its long-standing formula in pursuit of smarter hardware decisions. Leaks and reports suggest Samsung is ready to trade a fourth rear camera for something users have long asked for: a significantly larger battery. This potential shift in the Ultra series design philosophy could mark the most meaningful evolution since the Galaxy S20 Ultra. A radical camera rethink. Unlike its predecessor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which came packed with 4 rear cameras, including dual telephoto lenses, the S26 Ultra may trim this down to just 3 highly capable sensors. If early prototypes are accurate, the configuration will include a 200MP main sensor, likely an enhanced ISOCELL HP2 with improved low light performance and variable aperture capabilities, a 50MP ultra-wide lens for capturing expansive scenes with added clarity, a 200MP telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom, replacing the older 10x periscope and 3x zoom modules. This approach suggests Samsung is leaning into AI-powered hybrid zoom and sensor versatility, streamlining its optics while maintaining, or possibly even enhancing, overall photographic performance. With fewer lenses, Samsung can optimize image processing and reduce redundancy, potentially improving real-world usability. Powering up, a massive battery upgrade. The most talked about feature is the massive battery bump. Samsung is rumored to be testing a stacked 5,500 mAh battery, with some sources pointing to a possible 6,000 mAh unit. This would be a first for any Galaxy Ultra device and a significant improvement over the 5,000 mAh battery in the S25 Ultra. Fueling this leap is Samsung's experimentation with silicon-carbon battery tech, offering higher energy density without needing more physical space. If successful, it could mark the start of a new generation of long-lasting smartphones, essential for devices increasingly driven by AI features, satellite communications, and bright high refresh rate displays. Saying goodbye to the built-in S Pen? One controversial change may be the removal of the integrated S Pen slot. To create space for the larger battery and enhanced thermal systems, Samsung is reportedly considering an external, magnetically attached S Pen, similar to Apple's iPad Pro approach. While longtime Note and Ultra users may resist, this shift could allow for a thinner chassis, larger speakers, or even advanced cooling solutions. Dual chip strategy continues, with a twist. Samsung is expected to maintain its dual chip strategy, but with a twist. Exynos 2600, 2 nanometers, in select global markets. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or 8 Gen 3 Elite in the US, South Korea, and possibly across all S26 Ultra models. Leaks suggest the Exynos 2600's rollout may be limited due to yield challenges, meaning Snapdragon may dominate again, especially in the Ultra variant. This would be a win for users wanting consistent performance across regions. Display, charging, and other features. Other rumored enhancements to the S26 Ultra include a slightly larger QHD+ LTPO AMOLED display with even thinner bezels and a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. A durable new Gorilla Glass armor front and back, likely enhancing drop resistance. Support for 65 watts fast charging, catching up to competition from Xiaomi and OnePlus. Android 16 and One UI 8, with deep AI integration, smarter multitasking, and satellite communication capabilities. A possible IP69 rating, further improving resistance to dust and high-pressure water. The bigger picture: smarter, not just more. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't just an iterative upgrade, it's shaping up to be a redefinition of what an Ultra phone should be. By reducing lens clutter and investing in better sensors, smarter software, and cutting-edge battery tech, Samsung seems poised to prioritize efficiency, longevity, and AI-enhanced performance. Whether this redesign will be welcomed or met with hesitation remains to be seen. But one thing's clear: Samsung is not afraid to break from tradition in its quest to create the next generation of flagship smartphones.